Alright, here goes nothing. These are the materials that you're going to need. I use a small plastic bag. You can use a big one. Okay, and then you're going to cut the top and the bottom. Alright, nice. Now, what you're going to do is basically just going to make a square. If you're, used to making origami, you should know this step. Now, to make a circle, you're going to take the left to the right, to right to the left, and from the top, make it drop. I'm sorry. I mean, okay, just follow the video. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now you'll see a slope right there, and then, yep, that slope, and then just cut straight across, and you should have a nice circle. Now, if you're lazy like me and you hate to do measurements and stuff, just imagine you're dividing a pizza pie. Okay, and you're gonna tape, and this is how I tape it to make sure that the string doesn't come off easily. So I push this extra string on top, and then I tape it one more time. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so to make it easier, you can just like tie a knot, and you're gonna cut the top to allow some airflow, and boom, done. This is the one that I made. I still keep it, of course. I found it. And if you want to make like a cradle, you can, I don't know, make a simple one. Be creative, go nuts. Just ask your mom for permission before you do any of these things. Okay, bye.